Genetic engineering in animal breeding and its impact. Genetic engineering transforms animal breeding, enhancing traits for livestock and companion animals. Techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 allow precise modifications to improve desirable animal traits effectively. Goals include enhancing growth rates, disease resistance, and overall animal welfare for better production. Genetic modifications boost disease resistance, exemplified by pigs resistant to significant viral diseases. Faster growth and improved feed efficiency are achieved with genetically engineered salmon in aquaculture. Enhancing nutritional quality of animal products benefits human health, focusing on omega-3 fatty acids. Genetic engineering reduces stress in animals, improving welfare and adaptability to environmental changes. Transgenic animals can produce pharmaceuticals, showcasing the vast potential of genetic modifications. Ethical concerns about animal welfare and public perception must be addressed for responsible advancements. Genetic engineering aids sustainable production, supporting global food security amid growing population challenges.